guys, welcome back to Go Zoo, the virtual that allows you to learn about any animal, any type, and anywhere in the world. So, we've been having a lot of cows passing through here, and they've been stinking up the place with their poop. And because of that, we've been having a lot of dung beetles. It's been very chaotic here. Anyways, I'm sure you don't know what dung beetles are, and so I think today we'll just discuss about dung beetles. Okay, let's begin. The dung beetle is a small black round invertebrate. Invertebrates are cold-blooded animals with no backbones and can live on land or in water. All insects are invertebrates. Oof. Dung beetles fall into three categories, namely rollers, tunnelers, and dwellers. This classification is according to what they do with the dung that they find. The rollers roll the dung into small balls, the tunnelers bury their dung, and the dwellers live inside the dung pile. Ugh. I'm sure you're wondering, what is dung? Okay, let's ask Miss Smarty Pants. Oh, 1 minute. Oh, hi. The humans again. Okay, so there's a word and it's called sorry, I had a little explosion. Okay, so the definition of the word dung. Dung is a word scientists use to refer to animal poop. Well, I am a scientist, so they are semi-solid or solid food that animals eat and don't fully digest. So basically, that's what dung is. Bye. Okay, welcome back and thank you, Miss Smarty Pants. So dung beetles are a special kind of omnivores. They are called coprophagous insects. That means they eat the feces of other organisms. Simply put, they eat poop. Some eat poop all their lives, while the others eat other things. But one thing is for sure, every dung beetle will eat poop once at least in its life. Like we said earlier, the dung beetle are categorized into either the rollers, tunnelers, or dwellers. This is also the way they mate and reproduce. The female dweller beetle would find a dung pile and move in there, and they will mate there and lay their eggs. The eggs will then hatch into larvae, and this larva will feed on the dung until it's an adult. The female tunnelers, on the other hand, would find a dung pile, dig a tunnel, and make rolled pieces of the dung and put it in their tunnel, where she lays her eggs. The rollers have a slightly different pattern. The male will roll the dung and bury it in the ground. Then the female will lay her eggs inside the rolled up dung in the ground. There the eggs will hatch and feed from the round dung until they are adults. Dung beetles are found worldwide on every continent except Antarctica. Dung beetles are very important parts of the ecosystem. They help in the breakdown of manure, and because they bury most of the animal dung they find, they help the soil to get replenished and fertile for plants to grow. Ancient Egyptians thought very highly of dung beetles. They believed that they kept the world rolling round because of their dung rolling skills. So they made carvings of the dung beetles that they put in their jewelry. Well, that's all about these little critters. Now it's catch-up time! The dung beetle is a small black round invertebrate. Invertebrates are cold-blooded animals with no backbones and can live either on land or in water. All insects are invertebrates. Dung beetles are categorized into either rollers, tunnelers, or dwellers. The dung beetle helps the ecosystem. Well, that's all for today. Till our next Go Zoo adventure, I hope the smell goes away soon. Bye!